might just stop using gels. What's up, Candi Crew? So as you can tell, I kind of forgot to record an intro for this video, so just bear with me. I'm just going to go ahead and start talking and we're going to get through with this video. So as you guys know from the title, I am doing a whole head overview on Gabrielle Union's Flawless Hair Care line. So as you can see, I'm just wetting my hair, making sure it is saturated, and then I'm going to go through with the Hydrating Detangling Shampoo and apply that to my hair and my scalp. And now I'm just rinsing that out, and y'all, I don't know about y'all, but I love just sitting under the waterfall and just letting that water hit my scalp, hit my hair. Like, it just feels so amazing. But anyway, I'm just rinsing that out. Your girl, check that length, honey. You see it. But yeah, so now I'm just taking the Repairing Deep Conditioning Mask and applying that to my hair, raking it through, and then from there I'm going to put on a shower cap and leave that on my hair for about 15-20 minutes and then jump back in the shower. Okay, so now I'm about to rinse out that mask and then apply the leave-in conditioner to my hair. It's a detangling leave-in conditioner, but I don't use it to detangle. I use it for moisture. So I'm just spraying that into my hand because it is a spray leave-in conditioner and I hate those. So I'm spraying that into my hand and then applying it to the hair that I already have sectioned off. And now I'm applying the defining curl cream to my hair as well over that leave-in conditioner. And this is all I'm using because there isn't a gel in this line. So I am going to finger coil as well just to help it, because I feel like with no gel, I need to make sure I have some type of definition, some type of control going on with just the cream. So yeah, that's all I'm going to do is just section off the rest of my hair, apply the leave-in conditioner, apply the defining cream, and then shingle, or what I said, finger coil. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'll just fast forward the rest of this.
Girl, you know you cute.
Alright, y'all, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. I mean, it looks good, but like I said, my hair always looks good when it's wet. So we're going to see how it's going to dry. I'm about to sit up under my hooded dryer for a while, and then I will come back to you guys tomorrow to show you guys day 2 here. So, see you then. Alright, y'all, so before we even get into these products, just look at my hair. Look at the little nice definition I got from Cream Only. I cannot believe I got this from a Cream Only wash and go. It is defined. Like, my curls are defined, which I am so surprised about. So when it comes to the Cream Only wash and goes, I have to learn how to style it, how to control it, how to manage it, because y'all, it's hot out here. I live in Georgia, and I can't just be walking around with all this hair on my head like this. Like, it's cute, but good lord, honey, I'm gonna be hot, and then don't let that humidity touch it, because girl, then my hair is going to blow up. But yo, I might just stop using gels. Well, not completely, but you know, I'll switch between a gel wash and go and a Cream Only wash and go, because I feel like my hair look cute. I'm giving Diana Ross a big hair, small head vibes. Like, Alright, y'all, so enough about me being excited about my first Cream Only wash and go. Let's get into these products. Alright, y'all, so I purchased the Flawless by Gabrielle Union wash and go bundle off of Amazon, and it was only like $40. So I was like, I'll try it. You know, $40 for what, 5 products ain't bad. So I bought it. So it came with the Hydrating Detangling Shampoo, the Detangling Leave-In Conditioner, the Repairing Deep Conditioning Mask, Defining Curl Cream, and then Shine Enhancing Heat Protectant Spray. Now, just off rip, when I was buying this and I was looking at the bundle, I was like, why do you need a heat protectant for a wash and go bundle? And they also have a twist out bundle, and the heat protectant comes with a twist out bundle too. And I'm like, why do I need heat protectant for a twist out or a wash and go? Like I feel like they're just trying to give this away. Like, I don't know, maybe no one's buying it, so they're just trying to put it in with like every bundle or whatever, because this literally makes no sense to me as to why I would need a heat protectant for a wash and go or a twist out. I mean, I do sit up under my hooded dryer for my wash and goes, but I don't need heat protectant for it. I'm not applying direct heat to my hair. So that just threw me off, and I was already looking at them funny looks. I was like, do y'all even know what y'all doing? Do y'all even know what y'all talking about? Like, why do I need a heat protectant? So I gave them the side out off of that. But anyway, so as you saw in the clips, I first went through with the Hydrating Detangling Shampoo. It's a straight shampoo. I mean, ain't nothing special about it. Again, I mean, it's just your regular run-of-the-mill shampoo. It takes a lot to wow me, and this ain't it. I mean, it's straight. The scent of this whole line is fine. It's very light. It's not like heavy, overpowering, or anything like that. You know what? It reminds me of, no lie, it smells like canned mandarin oranges to me. So yeah, anyway, so I did the shampoo, and then I went in with the what was it? Oh, the repairing deep conditioning mask. So you guys do know that I love a thick deep conditioning mask. Like, I don't know, I just feel like it does something to my hair when it's thick, honey. I don't know, I just like it. So this was thick, but it felt off. Like, it was thick, but it felt kind of rubbery. Like, I don't know, I couldn't explain the word, but like, you know, other conditioners, they'll feel like thick and creamy. This felt thick and rubbery. So yeah, I wouldn't go back to this. I mean, it was straight, but it's definitely not a favorite. And then after that, I went in with the Detangling leave-in conditioner. Y'all, I hate spray leave-in conditioners. Look at all my hair. Look at all my hair. What is a spray gonna do to get the leave-in conditioner on every strand? So which is why you saw me you know, spraying it onto my hand, spraying a whole bunch onto my hand, and then applying it to small sections, because I hate spray leave-in conditioners. Like, I feel like this is only good if you have a TWA or shorter. If you got anything more than that, why? So yeah, I mean, the leave-in conditioner itself is straight, it's fine, but the fact that it's a spray makes it a no-no for me. And then after that, I went in with the defining curl cream, and which I felt was good. Like, it defined my curls, and I was super surprised. Like I said, I was not expecting this from just a cream only wash and go to have, you know, the definition that I have. So I do like the defining curl cream. Like I said, I don't have any crunch or anything like that. I will say that there is kind of like a light sticky residue on my hands from doing this. Like, if I do this like 1 or 2 times or whatever, it's like I have it's not super sticky, but it's like a light sticky residue on my hands. And I did read that on the reviews for this line. So yeah, it is kind of sticky, but it's very light. It's a light stickiness. But oh no, would I recommend you to just go out and buy this line, buy this brand? No. I mean, I just feel like with so many natural hair care lines out now, you have to be more than average to like get someone's money, to get someone's dollars, and I feel like this is what it is. It's just average. Now, if this would have came out like in, I don't know, 2005, when it wasn't that much for us to choose from, then yeah. But in this day and age, when there's so many to choose from, you need to bring your A game. And I just feel like this isn't it. Like, y'all can really pass on it. I mean, it's good. It's straight. You know, I mean, I do like the curl defining cream, but I also feel like I could have got this same definition or better from another well-known natural hair brand that has proven to us to be good. So yeah, I mean, there's nothing about this line that wows me. Sorry, Gabrielle, I'm just not, it's just not doing it for me. But I mean, I do like my hair, girl, so I guess thank you. But then again, why am I thanking you? I need to thank my mama and my daddy. But yeah, so again, it's not something that is amazing to me. I am going to do another cream only wash and go, because I am feeling this cream only wash and go, but I am going to do it with a different brand. But anyway, guys, that's all I got. I ain't got no more. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video if you care, and I will see you all next time. Bye.